Oh. No way. But I can't believe that machine's been abandoned a lot of times. Yeah. Empty bar carriers, dusty everywhere, messed up. I don't know what they call it, the bottom one. I don't know what they call it. It's abandoned for months. Looks like they didn't even care. Dusty wires, messed up there. Picking up wrappers. Shoot. Still have a bit of money in there. Wrappers. Everything's wrappers. I bet these have been chewed by mouses. Oh my god. Dude. All chewed up. The rats live in here. Busted lights in there. But this is the reason why the machine gets. Oh wait, no, let's see. The big one's for dropping off money, returning money. The other one's to put the money near when they do this book. When they jam it in. Shoot. Yeah. That's how they got it. They opened the machine there.
Yeah. Did you pull that open?
Yeah. That was easy to pull.
Yeah. Don't get yourself in trouble.
No, I didn't. I didn't open the whole thing there. Just that.
Okay.
Ugh.
Was this wide open?
Yeah. That was.
Wow, that's all mouse poop.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying there. It's all rats.
That's gross.
I bet they found dead rats in there.
Oh, that won't even. How can that not even close? That's weird.
Yeah, they don't care. I bet they'll find out where their money is gone.
Well, the police already know this has been broken into.
They've been.
It's wide open. I don't know.
You called, right?
Yeah. You called.
Yeah, they've been there for months. Haven't been restocked, and they found feces. He found feces in there. Gotta explain those two wrappers in there. Look like they're gonna be evicted soon enough. Yeah. I found out, and also people can get the money stuck, and I found out why. Because look at this, they can't get the money easily out. Yeah, sucks to them.
Yeah, it does.
For any candy machine company, little advice for you: take care of your machines, else you're gonna get raided and your money's gonna be gone. That's gonna be a really bad way.